What is going on? Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about crypto, NFTs, DeFi, metaverse, and all those kind of stuff, futures trading, spot trading, make sure you hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates. So, welcome guys to late night crypto technical analysis. I am late today, so let me update you with some of our trades and what will be the possible price target in the coming days. As yesterday we discussed that the target of the bulls and the bears, or the bears rather, this coming Friday, tomorrow, will be around 18 to 19,000, and they are going to pocket $350 million if Bitcoin's price is going to hit 18 to 19,000 range tomorrow. So watch out for that. And again, another successful day for the VIPs today. Congratulations. We had how many trades do we have today? EOS, we have Bitcoin and HNT. All right, so I will share it with the viewers today, and also we're going to check some of the chart requests, and I'm gonna update you with Bitcoin, Ethereum, S&P 500, DXY, and the rest of the chart request later on. We have Imran watching the stream right now. Thanks for joining me today. We had Durantes, we had New Destination. Hi, Chill. Have a great day. You do the same, brother. We have also Andres Jaworski. Welcome to the stream. We have Mauricio and Easy D. You late today. Yeah, this is called the late night crypto technical analysis. So let's move on with our charts. And all right, here. So you're looking at right now, you're looking at the Discord VIP group. So most of the crypto, Solana negative 2%, mostly are in red today. We have seen a drop, and stay ahead of the game. We are ahead of the game. We are shorting in the VIP Discord. Later on, I'm going to share the trades on Twitter and also some charts that we're going to discuss here during this live. So we have also HNT negative, but one of the trades today that hit our stop loss, we took some profit and then hit our stop loss. Very volatile today. We have seen a very long candle wick for HNT. This is one of our trades in the VIP. Of course, not all trades are successful. This is you can consider HNT as successful because we have taken profit and then adjusted stop loss to entry. So basically we didn't lose at all. All right. So LDO also negative 1.2%. Bitcoin negative 1.2, still hovering on a sideways channel, still trading in range, guys. If you have been watching the stream, we have Bitcoin's range. We have also Link and Quant ADA is showing up here as well, negative 0.5. So let's check the fear and greed index, still in the extreme fear level. Last week we are in the extreme fear at 22, and last month we are on 27. Like right now, I think we're going back to the lower levels here. So let's check what will happen in the coming days. Nice to be back. This is Fireman. Ah, Fireman, welcome to the stream, bro. Give that like, guys. That is correct. Give that like and subscribe. That is one way you can support the channel. Of course, I'm not getting anything here from YouTube. We have 62% shorts has been liquidated in the past 4 hours. Let's check if this is updated actually. Let me refresh one sec. That's correct. 63% short has been liquidated in the past 4 hours. Why? We have also almost equal, 53% long has been liquidated. So almost equal, guys. And we, as again, Bitcoin and the rest, or almost most of the altcoins are trading in range. There are some exception, but mostly are trading in range, guys. All right. So let me show you some of our trades before we discuss the charts. Slap the likes. One of the best in game. Thanks for the wonderful comments there. So what I will show you today are only the trades that I have shared in the VIP. So mostly or daily, I'm showing you the results. Those are the only trades. Maybe you'll think that there are some other trades that I'm not showing or some other losses that I'm not showing. No, the one that I'm showing here on YouTube are the only trades that we take in the particular day. So today and yesterday, the trades that I've shared is EOS, HNT, and Bitcoin. Those are the 3 trades. And I can consider 3 as winning trades. So let me show you. One is EOS. Let me show you the chart. Maita Martina. joining our stream. Welcome. So here guys, for EOS, here's the short entry point. As what you can see, the price is just approaching our short entry point here. So let me actually pull up the actual chart. EOS. Let's check what's the update. Haven't checked the chart. I have closed most of my position already. So let me check the update. EOS. Where's EOS? EOS, where are you? Oh, here. Oh, it's back. It's back to 1.2. Interesting. We have also Jiang Hua. Welcome to the stream, bro. So here's one of the trade setup today. Let me show you the chart and the update about the trade. Again, it's back. So this was the short entry point and the stop loss here at 1.22. And here's the chart a while ago that I've shared in the VIP. So here's the trade update as well. We have some threads here about the update. So 200, let me start from the 62%. How do you open? Full screen here. So 62%, here's the update, 41, 62%, 14%, 75%, 81%. Take some profit here, stop loss to entry. We will re-enter if it goes back up. So this is the first instruction at 81%. 41, by the way, well, let me give you a quick disclaimer before we proceed with our trade setups here. The information provided on this channel is based on my personal opinion and for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the channel's content as such. I do not recommend any cryptocurrency should be bought, sold, or held by you. Do conduct your own research and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decision. Alright, so let's proceed, guys. Let's proceed. Let's continue to smash this market. Daily. So 81%, that's the instruction here. Take some profit, adjust stop loss to entry, and we will re-enter the trade if the price goes back up. So 41%, 81%, 68%, 100%, 113%, 100% from the Mian, 50% booked. All right. Coming back up, 126%, 132%, 197%, 203%, 171%. Our taking profit zone here was hit. This was the first take profit zone. Perfect. And here's the continuation, 120%. Thanks, nice one. 230%. Sadly missed the train. Perfect trade. We had 236%, 243%. I've closed the trade at this point here. And here's the update, guys. You may say, why did you close the trade without informing us? I have posted an update here. Here's the update. Let's wait for Discord to load up. It's very slow, but all right. So here's the update, guys. You may say that you did not update us with the trade. You just close your trade. No, I have posted an update here. Closed EOS short entry update, and here's the link as well. And also Bitcoin. So for Bitcoin, my entry here is at 19,537, 240% today. In the past weeks, guys, the gains are enormous if you're just following the trade setups here. So, where's the entry, Chill? Where's the entry for Bitcoin? I have shared it in the announcement section yesterday. So here's the entry point, guys. DCA position stop loss at 20,620, or wait for 20,000 to 20,300 for safer entry. So this is a dollar cost average position, which means when the price goes up, I might possibly DCA and add more to adjust my position higher. So here's the trade update. 100% last night, closing 50% here. Stop loss to entry at 164. We have also Dixie update, or US dollar index update here. And one of my posts today, I think nobody saw this post. I will be giving out, but it's too late. It's already 29. I will be giving out $100 tomorrow. If you're using, how do I access to this? So if you are using my referral code in BITGET, I will be giving out $100 to users who register and trade using my referral link. My target is $1.5 million total trading volume, and I can achieve almost 700 or almost 1 million. I can achieve 1 million trading volume in one day. So I think we are missing $500 here, $500,000, but nobody joined. Nobody sees this, or do you think $1.5 million is too high to achieve? This is achievable, guys. I can trade, the entire group can trade more than $1 million total trading volume in one single day. So if you are interested, if you're using my referral link, and if you're trading in BITGET, just share your results here. I'll check tomorrow. If we have hit the target, then I will be giving out $100 to a lucky user. All right. So 240% Bitcoin trade was closed, and I've closed 2 positions, guys. And here's the update for which is the other one. I think I've shared it here. HNT. Where's HNT trade? I can't find it, unfortunately. Here's the top gainers, by the way, in the VIP. I can't find HNT. I forgot, where did I share it? I think here. So HNT, here's the trade setup. Very high risk. As what you can see, the position is 50-50, and I have made an announcement about the possible moves today, guys. So here's the announcement. Risk warning today. Market trading in the middle. No trade zone. Most of the entries today will be high risk. 50% chance. All right. So here's one of the trade, guys. Why 50% chance? So for HNT, good. Could you check EOS if there's an entry? Again, chill. I will update you. Just chill. Don't rush. Don't rush. So for HNT, here's the thread update. So 0%, 118%, 29%, 96%, 35%. Don't forget to TP. What a wick. So if you can check the chart of HNT, guys, here. Where's HNT? Let's find HNT. So for EOS, let me check if this is still valid. I think this is retesting. As what you can see here, there is a 200 moving average, and this has been retested. Breakout, retested support. So don't enter right now, short position. Let's wait for a better entry. Let's wait at this area here. 1 sec. Let's check the this sideways. Don't enter right now. This is high risk because we have this 200 moving average acting as a support. Looks like this is a retest a while ago, retested support. And as what you can see, we have higher high here, higher lows, higher lows. And this, we have also a trend line in the 1 hour time frame. So, and also the price right now is in confluence with the resistance trend line. So every time the price hits the resistance, it gets weaker and weaker. So if you want to take the trade, try to enter at a higher level here, possible at around this area here. But for best and safer entry, wait for at least the price to reach this area, 1.22. Let me just make a trade setup here. This is high risk right now. So let's find another chart, guys. I will post an update, but right now don't take another short. Wait for my call. If you're willing to take the risk, so you can take another entry here, but trade at your own risk. Right, so that's all. That's the trades today. We had HNT, Bitcoin, and EOS. Right, so let's move on with the charts. Let's check first. Let's just browse very quickly with news here. We have US Treasury yields are soaring, but what does it mean for markets and crypto? Have you seen the news today about the Bank of England? I think they are right now scrambling because the value or the inflation have reached more than 11% today. All right, chill, thanks, no rush. Yeah, we'll just chill, always chill and wait for the right entry, guys. Bro, please check KNC didn't pay head to my yeah, I remember I have played back my video, and I remember KNC requested yesterday and we didn't check it. So first chart that we are going to check today is KNC. And by the way, for Bitcoin, guys, option expiration tomorrow. Target is 18 to 19K, $19,000 for the bears to pocket $300 million. All right, so that's 2.2 billion option expiration tomorrow. Let's check KNC first chart. Request from Shahir Zakaria. It's time for the VIPs to party. Let's find KNC. KNC. Where's KNC? All right, here's KNC, guys. Sell. It's on sell level. And let's check this chart first. So we have a reference. Just a little bit of reference. We'll compare their analysis. Let's compare this. So here, didn't actually hit his target. He's using Fibonacci levels here. Looks like, let's do our own analysis. Sell, right? So let's check the chart. One hour time frame, we have a very clear, very clear, brighter than a sun range here for KNC. Resistance at 1.14, make it 1.15, and support at 1.12. How many percent is this? 2%. All right. Let's check the bigger time frame. Huge resistance at this point here. Let me change this, by the way. Let's make this as a zone resistance in confluence with the 200-day moving average. So 2.3%. We have the zone resistance here. You're looking at the 1 hour time frame. Let's check the daily time frame. Your call was for long term for KNC. I'm asking for that respect. Your call was for long term. KNC. KNC for long term. I not actually remember it. I think it was on Twitter. It was on Twitter, I believe. I think you're referring for a major support that I have posted earlier on Twitter. So let's check. Where is KNC, right? Can't find it. But if you want to trade long term, KNC, your call was for long term for KNC. I'm asking in that respect, right? If you're referring to the major support, we still have the major support here. Major support at this level. It was on Discord also, all right? So let's open Discord. Let's open Discord here. KNC. All right. So for KNC, we have our major long entry here, major support. This is in confluence with the major support, and last candle wicks here. You're looking at the daily time frame as well. So here's the updated chart, guys. Here's the updated chart. This was the level, major support level. So what you can see, if you're going to check the left side of the chart, we have candle wicks on this area here, on this area. And this was proven. Let me delete this one first. All right, so here, candle wicks around this area. Candle wicks around this area, and our long-term support here was around 1.62, 1.162, 1.162, 1.162. So around this level, all right. So right now, this is trading actually below the support. If this weekly candle closes below this level here, 1.162 area, then we might possibly see a revisit of this area here, support here, right? So that is why you need to always check the price action prior to entering a trade. If you're here for long term, I would not recommend. I'm not trading micro caps or altcoins for long term. I'm only trading Bitcoin and Ethereum for long term. Those are the safest, and for long term I would trade Bitcoin and Ethereum only. I would not trust trading or even holding altcoins other than Ethereum for long term, because most of the altcoins, especially micro caps, is not going to survive this bear market. And there are a lot of altcoins that will come up during the pre-bull market stage. So that's the best time to accumulate for long term, but not for futures, for spot. not a financial advice. So long term, guys, we have still another support here for KNC. We have support here, support, and another support here, zone support. And if this manages to bounce until this area here, we have candle wicks until this area, until $1 level. So if this, now let's make this zone support. If this manages to hold here, so we might see a possible bounce. Medium to long term, 1.2 will be the first resistance here. First resistance, this area. First resistance for KNC. If this manages to hold, so what you can see, if KNC bounces from the support, we might see this kind of rally here. This is the type of rally. If KNC bounces, we are getting huge bounce here, another bounce here, and look at this. Look at this move from this point up to $5 level. Another one here from this point up to $2 or $1.9 level. So if we can get a possible bounce from this zone support here, so first target here, we have this level here, range from this support up to $2 area. So that is around 2x from $1, but that will be medium to long term. You're looking at the weekly time frame. So these, every candle is 1 week. So this one here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. That's 1 month and a half. So 30 to 45 days of holding a trade. And I don't think you will be able to hold that much, especially KNC or altcoins, which is very volatile. So mostly for altcoins, we can trade quick trades and day trade, but for long term, like 1 month hold, I would not recommend. All right, so here's the update for KNC. That's for you, Zachariah, right? So let's move on with Bitcoin. Let me know, guys, in the comment or in the chat section if you have any chart request. We'll try to check the chart before we end the stream, all right? So for Bitcoin, guys, if you're going to check the monthly time frame, we are right now trading below this support. This was the previous support, guys. Look at this previous support. If the monthly close below 20,000 level, then we might see a possible revisit of the previous low. Here we don't have much support. We don't have much support here, but the next level of support will be this area in the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame, guys. Thanks, bro. All right, welcome. We have also XRP chart. Ray France, I think you're late today because I'm late. Welcome to the stream. Please, Atom and XRP. All right, so let's check Atom and XRP if we still have time. So again, for Bitcoin, just would like to show you the bigger time frame. We're going to zoom out here. Resistance. A monthly close that's happening tomorrow. My goodness. If this closes below here, this is a full body of the candle closing below the resistance. But if we see daily or monthly candle closes above 20,000, this could get bullish and we could get a bounce up to $23,000. 23,300 will be the level, up to $24,000 next month. But if we close below 20,000 tomorrow, then prepare for possible wicks and possible revisit of 17,000 area here. All right, so let me just share this very important chart. Resistance. Let's make this red. right? Zone support, right? So let me share it. Bitcoin, I'll just put it here. Bitcoin monthly chart, right? Hopefully the VIPs are watching the stream right now. So that's Bitcoin's monthly chart. Let's check right now the futures trade or the daily chart, daily time frame. Right, so here's the update. So what we have discussed yesterday, Bitcoin is still trading in range. We have our possible long entry point and major support at around 17,000. That is in confluence with our monthly chart that I've showed you just a few minutes ago. And resistance here remains at 20,000 up to 20,300 level. This will be the major resistance right now for Bitcoin. Is what you can see here. We have several trades getting rejected at this level here. So this level, 20,000 to 20,300, we got several rejection from this area. So possible price action, we might see a bounce from this key level support and retest this. If the price gets rejected, expect a revisit of this key level support. If this doesn't hold, the next possible target will be $17,000 to $18,000 Bitcoin. But if this breaks above, then we might get this. This is the kind of volume that will be able to break this resistance here. So we need this. Let me show you the volume. We need this type of volume here, this kind of candle. How many million? Not showing here. So this is the type of volume, guys. This is even low here compared to what we're getting here right now. But this is the type of candle that we need in order to break this level. But it's better if we get a smaller type of candle that can sustain a rally. But this type here, most likely it will just be rejected. So it's better if we see this type of candle. Let me show you the type of candle that we need to sustain the rally. So these are the type of candle, guys, that we need. Small soldiers continuing to push to the upside. We don't want like this kind of candle. We don't want this kind of candle because likely it will get rejected from the resistance. All right, this kind of candle, this kind of wicks. We want smaller candles like this, smaller candles. So again, as what we have discussed yesterday and based on the announcement on the Discord group, we are still trading in range, guys, in between this 18,800 up to 19,600 right now. Best possible entry for short will be around 20,000 to 20,300. Support remains at 18,500 to 18,800 zone. Key level support and major support that I'm looking at, if we get rejected or strong rejection, will be this 17,700 up to $18,000 for Bitcoin. Same chart. We are still trading in range. Let me hide all of this. And let me share the update to the VIPs. Bitcoin chart update as per the latest stream. All right, what do you think? Under 19,000 tomorrow closes. It depends. Tomorrow will be option expiration, so it's a fight between the bulls and the bears. So we'll just ride the waves, guys. whichever direction it may be, we'll just ride the waves. Alpha. What do we got here? VIP's trading. Everyone selling our BTC, right? So let's move on with Ethereum. Ethereum, similar to Bitcoin, trading in range. Let me delete this. Let me delete this resistance trend line. So we still have this bigger picture here for Ethereum. Bigger picture, Ethereum is still hovering in between support and resistance, similar to Bitcoin. So the range remains the same. If you're trading, this will be the range, guys. Eventually, this is going to break out either to the upside or to the downside. But right now we are in a bear market, so possible price action remains the same here. If you're trading in range, the range remains at 1250. This remains valid until one of the resistance or support is broken. So to manage your risk, if you're trading here 1250, just limit your stop loss just below this candle wick. 1200 will be safe, or 1190. Don't make it a whole number. 1190 or 1180. So that will be a safer stop loss for Ethereum. If you're going to long at around the zone support, or if you're going to short, the ideal stop loss will be around, if you're going to short, around near this orange line here, 1376, 1370. But right now the range is around this area, 1345. Lower time frame, so you can see very clear range here for Ethereum. So this is the range, guys, very clear. Safer entry will be zone support 1250 area. So resistance, we have noises around this area up to 1388. If you want to be safer, just enter near the orange line here. But if you are excited and if you want to trade several times, you can trade short near 1345 and take profit near 1250, 1270 area. This is still trading in range. Eventually this is going to break out either to the upside or to the downside. We have the range here, bigger time frame, or in the daily time frame. In the daily, of course, it's going to break out to the either to the upside or to the downside. That's stupid. So guys, this will be the range. Right now this is still trading on a sideways channel here, and we have also the resistance trend line and the support trend line. So possible price action, if this is going to get rejected from this resistance white line, next support is at $1,000 for Ethereum. All right, but if this is going to break out, we have another resistance here, maximum at around $1,580. So possible price action, bounce from zone support, and this will be the first strong resistance for Ethereum if this is going to follow this resistance trend line here. Rejection back here, and then possible move like this and eventually break out. But if this is going to get rejected here, then we might see possible drop to 1000 level. This will be likely compared to this move here, but who knows? Let's check possible price action in the coming days. Let's just continue to watch the price action and limit our risk. So right now this is looking like middle trade, so wait for the price at least to touch this red line 1350 or 1250 area. That's for Ethereum. Similar chart, nothing's changed, still trading in range. Monthly chart. So Ethereum, ETH, chart update as per the latest stream. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, guys. All right, to those who are still here, watching the stream. Let's find a good trade. Let's find a good trade. We still have requests here. Atom and XRP. Let's go on and let's check Atom and XRP and let's find some good trades. I'm gonna show you how to find a volatile crypto and how to find those trades. All right, so let's check first Atom. Where's Atom? All right, here's Atom. Let's make this quick. Atom, let's wait for the long-term target or the moonshot here. This is right now on support. Can we take long? Let's check the RSI first. Looks like overextended. Let's check the lower time frame. Let's do a quick long here. Not a financial advice. 25, all right. Where did it go? Where did it go? Where did my position go? Atom, all right. Where did my position go? One sec, guys. What happened? Oh, this is close position, all right. So again, let's do the trade. Right, here's the position. Let's add some let's check first the stop loss here. Risk to reward, long position, right? 1.62, that's okay. We'll limit our risk 2%. Let's make it 2%. That's very close. So here we set long here. This is in the oversold area, but still very early. But let's take the risk. Let's take the risk here. Volume, price going down, volume keeps on decreasing. All right, so this is good. This is good. Let's try to check if we can get a bounce here. Okay, this range. Long, oh, long at this range. Hopefully Bitcoin doesn't throw some tantrums here. So limit our risk 184. Let's move this a little bit. 2%. Let's check first the daily time frame. Go back to daily time frame. Have our long. Safer entry would be here, but let's take the risk, guys. Fortune favors the bold, right? So this was a previous short here. So what you can see, this is very volatile. This have hit our previous first stop loss here, but safer stop loss just about the above this candle wick was not hit. Let's go back to 1 hour time frame. Daily time frame over sold area, RSI, MACD, overextended. Let's check 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame also in the oversold area, RSI. MACD also looking very weak, but we might get a bounce. Right, 1 hour time frame approaching our entry here. It's already in our entry here, right? So stop loss. Well, let's make this yellow. Very small risk, that's okay. Stop loss here. Let's check, maybe we can extend this. We have our long-term moonshot here, you know, guys. This will be the target long-term for this trade, guys, for this short position. But let's take a smaller trade here. 3%. Let's check this. Possible target. This is a weak weak pattern based on my experience. Usually this do like this. But let's take the risk, guys. All right. First target, white line. Let's make this white line. That's 2% first target, a very small percentage, but if this is going to break out, this will be the second TP point. TP TP1, TP2, 3. So these are this will be our TP points up to 7%. Ideal target for the falling. Can you call this falling wedge? This is not a good pattern, guys, but let's take the risk. All right. Let's check Bitcoin. What's happening with Bitcoin? Still in range, right? Let's leave it. Let's leave it like that. Should I share this to the VIP? Should I share this entry to the VIPs? Let's take high risk. High risk, high risk. This is Atom. High risk trade. Limit risk to 2%. All right, so let me place a stop loss. Let me place a stop loss at around 12.29. 12.29, right? And target 12.9, almost 50%. All right, so let's leave it like that, and let's continue with our discussion here. Continue with our discussion. So that's for Atom. Quick trade here. This will be the TP point here, and we have our resistance trend line. So if you want to say for take profit zone, just close your trade here. But if you want to risk, you can take profit at 13.479. This will be the ideal breakout target. But again, this is a weak pattern here based on my experience. That will be the possible price action for this one, but we'll take the small risk here, possible bounce like this. All right, so as what you can see, price is now hovering on our long entry point here, maximum at 12.4. Our risk is at 2.11%, so that is managing our risk, minimize our risk. And let's check what's the other chart. XRP. For XRP, we have our daily time frame chart here. Long-term buy zone and breakout. This was a previous entry point here. Bottom of the chart. And we have another long retest to support here. Breakout target, retest, another retest here. Right now, I don't want to take this trade right now. This is high risk. I would rather wait for the price to revisit this area here. 0.385. Gonna wait for the price to revisit here, and we might get a bounce at around this area, or possible this area here. So for now, I'm not gonna take this trade because this looks like a middle trade. And if you're going to check Fibonacci retracement level, Let me delete all of this so we can see it clearly. Up to 0.4 will be the Fibonacci retracement level. So if this continues to pump, this will be the areas that we might get a bounce. If the price trade below 78.6, then this could be a possible price reversal, and this might continue to move down. So this will be the key. If you want to trade XRP, this will be the key support here. Stop loss just below. But for me, I'm gonna wait for this entry. If I'm not going to follow Fibonacci retracement level, for me this is a safer entry here. Previous support, guys. Here, oh, what the XRP. So this will be a good possible long entry point. All right, so don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, guys, if you appreciate this kind of content. So here, if you're going to check the left side of the chart, this was a previous support, previous resistance. Right now this will serve as a support here on this level, so we might get possible revisit of the previous resistance turned into a support. If this will hold as a support, then possible bounce back up here at 0.47 in confluence with the 200-day moving average. So possible price action, revisit this area, and then possible bounce here. This will be the first trade that we're going to take, right? So that's for XRP. Let me just share this to the VIPs. XRP belongs to XRP. Chart update, new trade setup as discussed in the live stream. All right, so I think that's it for today. What else do we need to find? Do we need to find some good trades here? Oh, by the way, S&P 500, guys. S&P 500 right now, before we end the stream, just very quick. As discussed yesterday, it's on its way, my goodness, to 200 moving average support here. 200 moving average support. And if this is going to happen, I have already discussed with you that if S&P 500 revisit this moving average here, then Bitcoin might possibly revisit this 18,500 level or the major support here. All right, so watch out for that one. And tomorrow, watch out for option expiration. 18 to 19,000 will be the range for the bears. All right, guys, so thanks for joining me today. Trade safely. Let me check Adam. We look at our trade while we're ending the stream. All right, 1 sec. Ooh, we got a bounce. We got a bounce. We get a bounce. We got a bounce. We got a bounce. 5%. All right, guys, we got a bounce here from our long entry point from Adam. That is why you call fortune favors the bold. 5%, 7%. All right, guys, thanks for joining me today, and let's hope our trade will be successful and we'll continue to smash this market. Support this channel if you like contents like this. Hit that like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. Trade safely, protect your assets at all times, and I'm gonna continue to update you in the VIP. See you guys, and ciao.